Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 23 to 29, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. So, meron tayong full moon. Ayan, nangyari na siya kanina, September 18, 10:34 ng umaga. So, itong full moon na to, isingit na lang natin, Virgo. Because this is happening in your 7th house of relationship. Okay? So, full moon is about letting go, release, anything that is no longer serving your highest good. So, for some of you, any partnerships, relationships, that sa tingin mo ay hindi na nakakatulong sa iyong pag-unlad, sa paglago mo, maaring yun yung ile-let go mo na. Yung iba, maaring itong matagal ng energy sa'yo. Like, for example, matagal ka nang nahiwalay sa person mo, pero you're still holding on to this person. So, ngayon, finally, ile-let go mo na siya energetically. Alam mo yun, na parang it's time for you to release the old para ma-welcome mo yung bago. Pwede itong mag-apply sa kahit na anong relationships, mga close relationships to. Friendships, business partnership, marriage. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa? Ano pa, Virgo? Ngayong week na ito. You have the moon, perception. Ayan, nagbabago ang iyong pananaw sa buhay, yung iyong mindset, even your feelings, no? Pwedeng ngayon you are finally hinaharap mo na yung mga nararamdaman mo na dati parang wala kang pakialam or hindi mo um, hinaharap kasi parang ang hirap i-handle, 'di ba? Let's say for example, meron kang sama ng loob sa isang tao, hindi mo na lang siya iniisip, isinasantabi mo, pero hindi ka naman nag-heal from that, hindi mo nila-let go. So for some of you, you are letting go of that para mabawasan ang iyong mga dinadala, no, sa iyong kalooban. And number 19 is number 10. Number 10 is number 1. Number 1 is new beginnings. So you are also embracing new beginnings, new chapters in your life. Wow, ayan no, you are focused on your future, Virgo. North Node. It talks about your future. And number 7 is about wisdom, learning. So maaring meron kang mga pinag-aaralan ngayon na naaayon or in alignment sa gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Maaring iba sa inyo nagkakaroon kayo ng realizations na, itong bagay na to, ito yung gusto kong i-pursue, ito yung gusto kong gawin, ito yung nararamdaman ko na life's purpose ko, so you are going to pursue that. You also have Pallas Athena, which is about thinking. Yeah, this makes sense kasi you are also ruled by Mercury, which is the planet of communication, your thoughts, ideas. So I think you also have a lot of ideas, no, para sa future mo, kung saan mo gustong pumunta, ano yung direction na gusto mong tahakin. So things are becoming clear para sa iyo. Okay, let's see what else for you, Virgo. You have the Page of Pentacles. Oh, ito yung pag-aaral. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inaaral na bagong skill or bagong kaalaman na magpapaunlad sa inyong finances. This is also planting your seeds, no? Kumbaga, pwede nagsisimula ka sa trabaho, sisimula ka sa negosyo. So, nasa learning stage ka pa na marami kang pwedeng ma-absorb na information that will help you improve yourself. You also have the Ten of Wands. Medyo maraming kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin. Some of you, marami kayong responsibilities, obligasyon, kailangan gawin. But I think kaya nyo naman siyang i-handle. Ang importante lang dyan, kaya nyo i-manage yung inyong oras at panahon. You also have the King of Swords, which is someone na mitikuloso, no? Mitikulosa. So, kumbaga, bago ka pumasok sa isang bagay, can be a relationship, can be a business partnership, trabaho, investment, pinag-aaralan mo munang maigi, no? So, I think you have learned from your past, you have learned from your experiences, kaya ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Hindi ka na madaling mauto, hindi ka na madaling mapaniwala. So, before ka maniwala, inaalam mo muna talaga kung may katotohanan ba yun? Does it make sense? 'Di ba? You all have the Fool. The Fool is about new beginnings. This is also freedom. So I think itong full moon na to, tsaka itong week na to, this is going to bring you freedom, realization of yung mga limitasyon mo na maaring ikaw lang yung nagbibigay sa sarili mo or ibang tao dahil hinahayaan mo yung ibang tao na magbigay ng limitasyon sa'yo. But for some of you, you are freeing yourself from that situation. Yung iba, this is freeing yourself from a relationship na sa tingin mo hindi na in alignment sa mga goals mo. Kumbaga magkaiba na kayo ng inyong gustong tahakin. Kaya hindi na kayo nagkakasundo. So sa money, career, finances, you have the 9 of Swords. So medyo yung iba sa inyo nasa stress. Baka marami kayong trabaho. You have the Devil. So this is Capricorn energy. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, ay overworked. Baka nasusobrahan sa pagtatrabaho, sa pagpupuyat, which is not good for your health. So, manage your time lang. And be careful din sa mga too good to be true na i-offer sa'yo. Sa business, sa trabaho, sa opportunities, kasi baka ma-scam ka. Okay? Be careful. And then sa love life, you have 8 of Cups. Oh my God! Grabe, Virgo. Talaga naman. This really makes sense. Especially sa mga Virgo rising. Kasi ngayong full moon in Pisces sa 7th house ninyo of relationships. Some of you are breaking up with someone. Merong ending of a relationship or someone is walking away from this relationship. So, maaring ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with, but para sa'yo, alam mo na kailangan na siyang mangyari. Okay? So, of course, hindi ito mag-resonate para sa lahat, but if you're going through this relationship na parang feeling mo mag-isa ka lang kahit na may karelasyon ka. 'Di ba gano'n na parang feeling mo, ba't parang ako lang lahat, no? Ikaw lang lahat ang sumasalo ng mga responsibilities, ikaw lang yung dapat umintindi. So, maaring ngayon nare-realize mo na, teka, kailangan dito ng fairness and equality sa relationship. And if you feel na hindi mo pa rin yan nakukuha, maaring iba sa inyo, alis na kayo sa relationship na yan, you are freeing yourself. At alam mo kasi yung dinideserve mo ngayon. Grabe merong deception talaga. May fox. So beware of deception, especially sa finances, yung mga mag-o-offer ng kung ano-anong investment. Do your due diligence, no? Do your diligence. Ikaw yung mag-research, no? Hindi lang pwedeng naniniwala lang tayo sa mga sinasabi ng iba. Dapat meron din tayong sarili nating way to do our research and tingnan natin, validate natin kung totoo yung information na nakukuha natin. Also the book, yes, the book symbolizes learning, new information, okay? This is also the book Guards Tales of Inner Emotion. Devotion, yes. So yung iba sa inyo maaring you will be reading a devotional book na, let's say, a Bible or any devotional book na makakatulong para sa inyo, sa inyong pinagdadaanan ngayon. Marami ng books ngayon na nakakatulong sa ating mental health. You and your loved ones are safe. Yes, Virgo. So, don't worry. You and your loved ones are safe. Okay? So, Let's see, isa pa. Look at the bigger picture. Okay, so ito yung ano, paglingon sa iba pang perspective na minsan masyado tayong nakafocus sa problema na hindi na natin nakikita yung posibleng solusyon doon kasi nandun lang tayo nakatingin. And when we step back, mas makakita tayo ng mas magandang view at marireassess natin yung situation. So you will be able to learn from it. At yung iba sa inyo maaring you will realize na marami pa kala kayong options. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.